Travis. I just want to give you a quick blurb on proper mechanics. So when people walk, your feet are actually supposed to be straight out in front of you like that. So the easiest way to do that is feet together, heels about an inch apart, separate them. Toes are pointed straight ahead. It's going to feel a lot like pigeon-toed for a lot of people because most people are usually doing this, a little bit of duck foot. We don't need that. We actually want to be toes pointed straight ahead when we're walking and running. Now, when you do that, it's going to feel awkward at first, but you practice in the gym with every exercise you do. You practice when you're going upstairs. You practice every time you can remember. And eventually, and it doesn't take that long, I would say it took me about 6 months to correct mine. I used to walk like this before I became a personal trainer, and I learned proper mechanics. And it took me about 6 months to correct that. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you about is the knock knees. Proper mechanics, like we do all kinds of corrective exercises in the gym, and then people walk out of the gym and do all these weird things that, create the problems, so you're not getting anywhere. So when you walk, some people will get a little sway in their walk, so they'll be walking like this, as opposed to shifting with the shoulders. Now there's got to be a rotation here. When this foot comes forward, this hand comes forward, and there's just a little shoulder rotation, and it's like this. So I don't know if you can see that from here, but it's just a rotation in the shoulders. This foot comes forward, this hand comes forward. Like that. Now the other thing that causes the knock knees is, like nurses, people doing 14-hour shifts or whatever, legs get tired. And to compensate, people lock out completely with their knees. And that's also going to pull those knees in there, give you knock knees. Now, that's to prevent it. Now, that probably covers what I want to get across here.